We are sorry to interrupt your current activity on your local Wi-Fi connection. The following is a network-issued emergency alert system bulletin. This is not a test. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of your network administrator. Your modem is causing the Wi-Fi signal on various wireless devices such as laptops, mobile phones, and tablets to cut off when you least expect it. If you're expecting something to load, but it's taking a long time, that could be an indication that either the Wi-Fi signal is weak or the connection may have dropped. If this problem still persists, you are advised to consult your network administrator or someone you know who has knowledge on how to fix the problem. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system on your local Wi-Fi connection. We now resume normal activity on your local Wi-Fi connection.